31 degrees right now, 32 at 9 a.m. We're going to see mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. By the afternoon, 35 degrees. So you can see there's really not a whole lot of change in our weather at all, but it's good for traveling. Winds maximum out of the northeast at about 8 to around 10 miles per hour. So even the wind speed's not half bad. Severe weather index, of course, staying in the low category with this kind of a weather pattern. It's quiet. Nice end of the holiday weekend, which is just fine with me. I'll tell you what, it really is pretty comfortable outside. So a winter jacket will do you. 28 right now in Appleton and mostly cloudy skies. Still a little hazy. 22 is the wind chill pressure, 30.11 inches. In the north woods and into the south, that's where our coldest temperatures are. It's kind of weird that way. 27 degrees currently in Anago. It's 26 in Fond du Lac. One of the cool spots, Watoma at 21. A little warmer along the lakeshore, 34 in Sturgeon Bay. Wind chills are a degree or two colder, but really nothing worse than that because wind speeds are maxing out at about 5 miles an hour. Look at the clouds and radar confirm that we do have a fair amount of cloud cover here in northeastern Wisconsin. The flow coming off of Lake Superior is dragging in those low clouds, and that's probably going to be sticking with us throughout much of the day. If you live south of Appleton, you have a better chance for sunshine. But I'm really focused in on what's happening around Seattle because this is our next storm system. It's actually going to be a big storm, but I think we're going to miss out on part of the wintry section of it. But we still have a chance for snow. Let me get into it for you here. Future track today, no problems. A flurry or two in the north woods. Other than that, mostly cloudy skies. If you're traveling west, some snow showers possible tomorrow morning. Eau Claire, La Crosse, maybe even to Platteville and Minneapolis. So just beware of that. Roadways could be a little bit slick there. As for us, we're going to hold on to flurries by later on in the day, but I wanted to focus in on that storm out to the west. And it's going to be locking into some very cold air that's in Canada right now. We're talking about high temperatures below zero in central Canada, and that's going to be kind of cruising down the Rockies. By Tuesday, the storm system will be down towards Colorado. We're going to have a chance for some snow showers. Wouldn't be surprised with some warm air trying to move our way if we saw an inch or two of snow on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, we're going to see just a messy mix because our winds will continue to blow out of the south, and we're going to see a mix of rain and snow. I really think the north woods has a chance to see accumulating snow from Green Bay to the south, mainly rain showers. Then on Thursday, that good old front will be knocking on our back door, and temperatures will actually max out in the morning at about 30 degrees. We'll go down to the mid-20s in the afternoon, and then by Friday, our high temperature around 20. That's about it. The winds will be blowing. It'll be really, really cold. So enjoy our warm, relatively warm weather today. 35 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. 24 for a low tonight, mostly cloudy. And tomorrow 34. Some afternoon flurries possible, but I think driving should be fine. Tuesday, that's when we could see some accumulating snow, so it might be a little slick on the roadways. 36 degrees, 38 on Wednesday with that mixture of rain and snow. The north woods, basically north of Shawano, has the best chance for seeing that snow. Thursday should be dry as that front moves through us. And then just plain cold for Friday and into Saturday, with temperatures going from 20 for a high to 15 on Saturday.
Now, here's your forecast first from Fox 11 meteorologist Doug Higgins.
Oh, a hot cup of coffee, hot chocolate, whatever you got to get yourself warmed up this morning, you're going to need it. We're not going to warm up much at all today. Matter of fact, wind chill advisory is still in effect until 9 a.m. for areas of Langlade County, Forest, and Florence. Your wind chills are just plain nasty, and the rest of us close to that, but not quite as bad. So our forecast first, all the way up to, well, to 0 at 7 a.m. But that's basically where we're at right now, -1 actual temperature. At noon, 7 degrees. At 3 o'clock, a whopping 11. The severe weather index, I'm going to keep the low. Hey, I heard a woo for that. I like that. Low for the severe weather index. Yeah, wind chills will be below 0 today, but not quite in the advisory area for us. Cold blast continues today. Snow on Sunday. And we might need the snow shovel. As a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure we will need the snow shovel. Other area temperatures. Rhinelander is the loser. -17 is your temperature. -12 in Anago. -4 in Watoma. -1 in Oshkosh. Put the wind chills on the map. -32 in Rhinelander. Really? -32? That's horrible. -28 is your wind chill in Anago. Feels like -17 in Green Bay. -20 in Appleton. And -15 in Oshkosh. Clear skies out there. Lake effect across the other side of the lake. That's nothing we're going to have to worry about. We've got high pressure actually building into our forecast today, so lots of sunshine, just no warmth associated with that. Big storm system out to the west just getting generated. You can see some rain showers and even snow in the higher elevations of central California, but way out ahead of that, Notice this little finger that starts to pop up right here. That's a sign of a very powerful jet stream just moving out of the Colorado area. And look where it's pointed, right at Wisconsin. So this is going to start to generate some snow for us, and eventually the low pressure system behind that will follow. So we have a good chance for snow in our neck of the woods. Now, not today. Today will be a dry day, high pressure building in. It's going to be a breezy day again, so this wind chill is a big factor in our weather. When will it start snowing? Well, if you're driving to western Wisconsin, early tomorrow morning, you could see some light snow or flurries. We're going to have to wait here in northeast Wisconsin for the snow to arrive sometime in the afternoon. There's a lot of dry air that the snow needs to really overcome, but eventually it will, and the snow should be coming down by around 3 o'clock, and it should be at a pretty good clip too, and it will continue during Sunday night and overnight into early Monday morning. So snowfall amounts look like this. I think everybody has a chance for seeing snow from this, whether you live near Iron Mountain, Shawano, or Fond du Lac. In general, most areas seeing about 4 inches. Watoma is showing signs of about 4 to 5 inches of snow there, and just a little bit of lake enhancement from Door County down through Manitowoc, Kewaunee, and Sheboygan counties. It looks like 5 to 6 inches of snow. The snow should come to an end sometime early Monday morning. So today, enjoy the sunshine, but not the temperatures. 11 is the temp. That's going to be our high today. Westerly winds of 10 to 15, keeping chills below 0. 3 for a low tonight, but clouds will start to increase, and then eventually back up to 20 for Sunday. But the snow will be flying, and by probably late in the afternoon, we'll already have picked up about 1 to 3 inches of snow. If you're going to Lambeau Field, tailgaters will see temperatures on the cool side, only around 11 degrees at tailgate time, 16 degrees at kickoff, and 20 by the end of the game. Monday, the snow coming to an end of the morning, and temperatures will drop 17 for a high, and then turning colder, and then another Arctic blast. Oh, we can't get enough of this weather. 13 degrees for the high on Tuesday, and Wednesday, 6 degrees. That's the high. Regular low temperatures will be below 0 for much of that period. We should be warming up, though, by the end of next week. We're on storm watch here at Fox 11. That means we're expecting a pretty major impact in your travel and your life, and that's going to be starting tomorrow. Now for today, this is what you can expect. Cloudy, some flurries, some freezing mist. Roadways are still slick from the snow we've seen. When does Winter Storm Alice, though, start? Well, that will be tonight, and the heaviest of the snow will start between about 3 a.m. and last through at least 6 a.m. And then the snow will continue to linger on through Sunday night. Most areas seeing at least 6 inches or more of snow. And if you're wondering where the worst of the travel is going to be, all of the highlighted counties here basically indicated where snow is going to be, where travel will be tough. Now, not as much snow expected to the north and west of Green Bay, only about 3 to 5 inches there. There you're under a winter weather advisory. For the rest of us, with 6 inches to 10 inches possible winter storm warnings in effect, and that goes from Brown County, Kewaunee County, south all the way down to the Wisconsin border. If you're traveling south tomorrow, it's going to be tough going. Here's your forecast first for today, though. Cloudy skies, some freezing mist and flurries this morning, 25 degrees at 9 a.m., 29 by 3 o'clock, and then by 9 o'clock, snow starts, but that's going to start to the south, and gradually the snow will make its way to the north. Severe weather index in the moderate category. We're probably going to lift this to the high category shortly. Snow returns tonight, and the snow machine will be on for quite a while, and its name is Alice. This is our first named storm here at Fox 11. We've been doing this for over 25 years, naming storms at Fox 11. Over 6 inches possible from Sturgeon Bay through Green Bay, Appleton into Oshkosh. We could see some small isolated areas of 10 inches. Definitely not out of the question. I've been seeing some of the latest computer models that are just rolling in. They're giving us 9 inches of snow. So any way you cut it, how about a half foot or more? Sounds good to me. 3 to 5 inches in the far north woods. Here's the storm system right now. It is down in Texas, where temperatures are in the 70s, and there are thunderstorms out ahead of that. That's a good sign that we have instability with this and a lot of moisture. That moisture continues to stream north well ahead of that system, and that's what's going to be giving us our snow. So here's how it all times out with future track. For the most part, snow-free weather today and into early tonight, but late tonight, starting around 9 or 10 o'clock, we're going to see the snow begin, and then look at this band of white move in, white and gray. That is a sign of very heavy snow, maybe even some thunder snow moving in between 3 and 6 a.m. A majority of the snow will have fallen by about noon tomorrow. After that, we're going to see a continuation of on and off light snow through Sunday night and into Monday. So when you cut it all up, I'm expecting about 5 to 6 inches of snow on the ground by noon tomorrow, and then adding on another 2 inches plus after that by Monday morning. Current temperatures outside, 16 degrees in Iron Mountain, 19 in Anago. We've got some freezing fog in Green Bay. 22 is the temperature, 24 down in Oshkosh. So 30 will be our high today. So at least it'll be milder, and the weather will be okay for travel. Again, it's slick in some spots, but you can do your holiday shopping. Tonight, well, snow starts to come in after 9 o'clock, turning heavy late. Here's the wind problem, too. Blowing and drifting with 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. Winds will continue tomorrow. Very slick for travel. 26 for a high. Looks like it's going to be a great day for football at Lambeau Field because it is going to be crazy snowy out there. 16 for a high on Monday. We're really going to cool it down, add another inch or two of snow, as I said, on top of what we're expecting tomorrow. Tuesday should be a dry day, good for travel. 15 degrees. It will be cold, though. 25 degrees on Wednesday, 13 Thursday, 10 for a high on Friday.